To fix CMD command prompt Windows not opening in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here is the fix. Right click on a start button and choose task manager. Task manager window will open here, and here navigate the under process tab Windows terminal, select it and choose the option end task. Now try to open command prompt windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. It will open here. Go to Windows search, type CMD, open command prompt as administrator mode, and it is open now. If not open in your system, then go to the next fix. Go to Windows search, type system.cpl, open it, and here go to the advanced tab from the top menu bar. Under system properties windows, from the bottom click on environmental. Here click on edit, click on edit button and click on new and type the new path as shown in the notepad. This path will also available in my video's description. Just copy it and paste it into the blank space of new path. Paste it and press OK. Again press OK. OK. Now try to open command prompt windows. Type CMD, open command prompt windows administrator mode. It will definitely open. That's all.